Hello students, welcome to Kanidam with Kanchana channel. Today we are going to discuss how to construct square when one side is given. Okay, so here I have one problem. Construct a square lamp of side 4 centimeter. This is the given question. Okay, first step we have to do is let's draw one rough diagram. Okay, it is very important, then only you will get clear idea. Okay students, so first step, draw the rough diagram for the given measurements. Here it is a square. Already we are very familiar about square, that is what is the properties of square. Okay, already we know in square all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Okay, by using that two properties only today we are going to construct square. Okay student, shall we start it? So first I am going to draw a rough diagram here. The given measurement is L, A, M, P. Okay, so one side is 4 centimeter. Here it is not given any angle, but we know for square the angle is always equal to 90 degree. Okay student, so all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. I am going to use that property to draw a square. First step, draw a line segment for 4 centimeter. Okay, and measure exact 4 centimeter like this. Okay students, so here, so this line segment is L, A, so the side is 4 centimeter. Okay, then here in this point you can select any point, but now I am going to draw 90 degree at the point L. Okay, already we know the procedure how to draw 90 degree and how to draw 90 degree with the help of compass. Okay student, so nothing, it's a very simple only. You take the compass and take any radius, roughly you can take any radius. Okay, so from this point L you draw one semicircle like this. Okay, so here this semicircle is touching at a point on a line segment. From that point mark one arc. Okay, again from the second point you have to mark one more arc like this. Okay, now so you can take it as anything A, B, C, just for clear idea I am taking like this. No need to give names also, just to get clear idea only I am giving the name for these points. Okay students, so now again we have to draw a angle bisector for the points B and C. Okay, so just you take any radius of this B and C, distance mark one arc, from B one arc and from C one more arc. Okay, the two arcs will meet at a point. Okay, so now you got this point. Now we have to join that point to line segment, that point L. Now you have to join like this, 90 degree. Okay students, now so already we know all the sides are equal. Okay, so if the centimeter, then the other three sides also 4 centimeter. So now I am going to mark like this. So here take, roughly you can take from this one also point, you cut the line like this. Okay students, so from you got this point, no, this point. Okay, this point is P. From this point again one more arc like this. and from point A also one arc, that both will meet at one point. That point is M. Okay, now we have to join all the points. Okay students, so that's all. We got the square, we have completed the square now. So just we have to join all the points like this one, and here also we have to join this. So this side is 4 centimeter and this side also 4 centimeter, again this side also 4 centimeter. We got the square here. Okay students, to calculate area of the square, area of the square, area of the square is equal to side into side. Okay, so here the side is 4 and one more time it is 4. 4 fours are 16 centimeter square. Okay, don't forget to write the unit. Okay student, that's all about construction of square when side is given. After completing all these process, you have to write steps for this construction. Okay, so I hope this video will be very useful for you students. Bye, take care. Until then.